I'm in a 2018 Mazda 3 and the spanner warning light is on in the dash, and I'm going to show you in this video how you reset that now. Okay, so I'm going to switch the vehicle off and then I'm just going to put the ignition on. With the ignition on, you go over to the infotainment side over here. And you're going to be using this down here as well. So what we do is we press the home button. So in this type of setup, you can do it two ways. You can do it by pushing down on this and scrolling here, or you can actually touchpad up here. So whichever, I'm going to just touch it here on applications. Then the vehicle status monitor, you click on that. The maintenance will pop up, click on that, or push down on the button down here, whichever. And as you can see, it has quite a few warnings up here. Oil change, rotation, and scheduled. They are all due for reset. So we click on them. It's past due. You go down, reset. Are you sure you want to reset schedule maintenance? We reset that. So that's all done. You go back out again. Tire rotation, because it is getting a tire rotation as well. Reset that. Click yes. And lastly, after we go back out, we do the oil change as well. So reset. Sure, yes. Back out. Go to the home screen. And then if I just start the vehicle, you can see that the warnings are now reset. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.